I'm Brian Kelly, and I'm the owner of Glenmore, which is a property in Crichtons Creek. The night before we had a lot of lightning strikes. We had 250 strikes hit the ground, and we'd been at a fire the night before of 100 acres, just 15k away, and then this one had been spotted that night, but we couldn't find it. It just happened that the wind was blowing a gale and it just took off, and it came across a ridge, and then the wind change turned and just cleaned us right out. Mary wasn't here, she was in Shepparton, and I rang her from the fire truck and said, "It's coming your way."
About the same time that I saw that a fire had broken out, Brian rang me and said that this is pretty bad and you're going to be on your own. As I came in the front gate of the property, the fire was already burning down both sides of the driveway and had already gone round the house. So from then on, I was really defending the house. Our haystack was on fire. There was 800 rolls of hay being burnt at that stage, which created a huge inferno which was putting pressure on the machinery sheds in the house.
We lost 99%. It's like winning tats backwards. There's not much you can do. Once it's burnt, and you got to get on and save what you can. The fences have all got burnt. The roadsides were running at, they estimated they were burning about 800 degrees. So it really cooked the wire really bad. And nothing really survived in that.
We were fortunate this time. Obviously we lost all our fencing, and our cattle saved themselves. We did try to move a mob of cattle, but the paddock we moved the mob of cattle into prior to the fire, it burnt anyway. So I think cattle are best left to defend themselves a little bit.
But we made a decision that we weren't going to patch anything up. Other people have patched things up, but we decided we were going to do it properly. And we're in our 60s, so we thought we're going to live for another 30 years, so we've got to make it right.
We've designed laneways that lead into cattle yards, and just easy. Try to make things easier, not just for us, but for the next generation. We'd like to think that our family loves this property and that someone perhaps will take it on in the future.
We'd like to leave it in good stead for them to take over and carry on like we have. It's been an improving program ever since the Kellys selected it. Everyone's improved it a bit, and we'd like to leave it in an improved state when we took it over, and hopefully it stays on.